Hi everyone, welcome to BitsBai once again. This is Alpha Dev. So today I'm just going to quickly demo on how you can actually create your token on BitsBai. So just go to launchpad and then create token. Then for today I'm going to demo on how you can actually create for liquidity type token. So this is the page itself. So we're going to offer for BSC and Ethereum chain. For now, we have BSC. In the near future, we're going to enable also for Ethereum. So this is the asterisk here, meaning all fields that has asterisk that you can find are all required. Other than that, those are optional. So for you to create liquidity token, just select this one and click liquidity token. And then router by default is PancakeSwap. So for now we only have PancakeSwap, but moving forward we're going to add also the other routers, and also for Ethereum like Uniswap. So this is all the feeds, so only have a few that are required. So just fill in everything. So for instance, so I just choose this one, my test2, and then symbol is actually this is the symbol of your token. So for instance, you can put MYT2 for this is for the testing. Here the router is auto populated when you click this menu. So just to clarify, on this demo I'm using testnet, so this is the router itself for testnet. But when you're on mainnet itself, meaning the production one, the router value is different, but don't worry about that. The web page itself, the application that we have is smart enough to populate the correct router address. So just to make it clear here, this is the testnet, so that's why this value is different. Website and Telegram and also Twitter, these are for your socials details, so these are optional, so it's up to you if you wanted to supply or not, but we highly recommend that you actually populate these entries. Because it will help actually your token to be discovered by anyone who have your token address. Then they will know how to get in touch with your social contacts like your website, Telegram, Twitter itself. So here I'm just going to populate for BitsBai. You can populate here for your own project. So here for total supply, this one is where you can input actually on how many tokens that you wanted to mint. So for instance, you wanted to mint 1 million tokens, so just input here the exact value, 1 million. You don't need to specify other decimals, so this form itself will do it for you. So if you wanted to put 1 million, 10 million, 1 billion, so just input here. So for this sample, we tried to input 100 billion. 1, 2, 3, this is 100,000, 100 million, and then 100 billion. Okay. So here for the marketing wallet, so this is actually how you can earn from your token. So make sure you provide the correct marketing wallet. So the marketing wallet for that you actually own. So make sure you have access to this one, because everything on the taxes will go to this wallet. And here is the tax fees that we have. So for liquidity token, the total tax that you can actually set is 25%. And then for that one, the breakdown is it has for reflection fee. So you just divide it equally. or up to you, not necessary to be equal. It's up to you as long as you distribute total of 25%. So we have auto reflection fee and we have the marketing fee. So this marketing fee, the percent that you will assign here will go to the marketing wallet. So this one liquidity fee is for the liquidity pool of your token, so it will automatically go there depending on how much percentage that you set. So for instance, I just wanted to validate the 25% validation, so I intentionally put here total of 30%, so that we can see the validation. So let's try connect wallet and then try to deploy. So see, it got validated that should not be more than 25%. So maybe we try to 5%. So total will be 15. Then I just wanted to show you also that this address also gets validated, so it's smart enough to know whether it's a correct wallet address or not. It also will know whether it's a contract wallet. I mean contract address. It will not allow. It will only accept wallet address. So don't worry if you create a mistake here. It will not accept. Anyhow, anyway, in the blockchain you can update also as long as you are the owner of the wallet. So just quick info, our liquidity token is actually fork from a SafeMoon. So if you wanted to know details about it, so it's yeah, you can easily search from Google itself. So we just actually modify a bit on the website, I mean the social details, so we added that one in the token, but everything else is the same with the SafeMoon. Okay, so just review everything. If everything looks good, then you can just deploy the contract. So it will connect to MetaMask, need to approve. So this one is the fee actually that we're going to receive for our platform, for our service. So it's very actually affordable compared to the other platform. So this one is the gas fee. This is actually how much it costs to deploy the contract. So it's for the chain, the blockchain itself. So all in all, the total would be $15 to deploy the contract. So just make sure you have enough gas your wallet to make it, I mean, be able to pay the total amount. So once everything is okay, just click confirm. Just wait for a while. So this one you get the prompt already, so meaning it's successful. As long as you can see this one, so it means that your deployment is successful. So here, this is the contract address of your token. So you can save this one later on. Make sure you to save this one, because this is the way that you can actually find your token in the Basis scan or Ethereum scan. So this one is the link to view your token. So just click this one, it will go to your token. So this is the details. So this is the wallet that we use to deploy. This will be by default the owner. Here, this is the token that was created. This is the contract address. If you can compare 1B1C, compare here, see 1B1C. So that is not one. And then this one is the fee. It will go to our wallet, and this is the 0.05. Here's the actual gas fee that it consumed when it deployed the contract. So if you total, I think around $13 only. So this is the number of how many tokens we mint. I mean we mint. So it's about 100 billion tokens. So then this is the name of tokens that we created. So you can just click this one. So this is the token itself. As you can see, by default it's already verified, so you don't need to verify it itself. If in case you'll encounter not verified, don't worry, just reach out to us. We will help you do the verification manually, but most likely it's not going to happen. Most likely it will get verified, but just in case, don't worry, you can reach out to us in our Telegram group, then we are actually going to support you. So here, read contract. So this is the socials actually. If you can see what we input here, it will show here the socials. So this is how people were going to know your social, where to get in touch for your project. So I think it's only our contract that we design like this. I haven't seen any contract that have this particular feature. So most likely other contracts they just put in here like this. But the problem of here, if we put here in the code, you cannot update later on. If for instance you change your website or you change your Telegram group because you lost access, then yeah, you'll not be able to sync. But for our contract, you will be able to sync. So I'll show you quickly how to do that. So just go to the right contract. So remember, you go to BC scan or Ethereum scan, then connect to wallet. So just make sure the wallet is actually the owner that you're going to connect, because if it's not the owner, you'll not be able to change anything because of it's actually for the security purpose. So by default, your wallet address, you set to deploy is the owner actually. So that's how it works. So here, this section, set social. So this is how actually you can update the details of your socials if you wanted to update later on. So just say updated socials.com and then TG Telegram. This is just for example. So just input whatever it's the correct entries for your project. So for instance, you wanted only these two you wanted to add, then only that two, then click right, then you need to click approve. So this is gas fee only, so it's very low, like this one. See, 5 cents only. Most likely it's just the same on mainnet also. It's the same cost depending on how busy is the network, but basic chain is quite very cheap. I like Ethereum. Okay, so it's confirmed. So just refresh the page actually. So once you refresh, just go back to read contract and then socials. See, you get updated already. Just for instance, if it doesn't show, if you encountered any error, just connect your wallet. Any wallet will do for the read contract. So just quickly, just in case there's an issue, so just connect your wallet. This is safe because it is for the basic scan itself. See this one. So that's all, guys. So it's very easy to deploy your contract. So it doesn't need any programming skill sets. So as long as you use our platform, you'll be able to create your own token. Okay, we will create another video on to actually explain all these configurations. So it will be a longer video, so that way we're going to separate for all the tokens that we have.